Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's get started with Christmas decor. So today we are going to make Christmas tree, and not just one, not just two, three types of Christmas tree. So you guys can go ahead and choose whichever one you like. That we are making craft that we are making today. We require some colored papers. We also require some tissue roll and toilet rolls. We'll also require some decorations. Here is a glitter glue. Here there are colorful beads. Then there are colorful strings, and lastly there are stars. So let's go ahead and get started. One will require 2 green papers. Now what you do is, with the first green paper, you go ahead and you try to get a square out of it. Once you have a square out of it, what you do is try to form a triangle, a cone shape. So now if you see, we have our cone. So now what you do is go ahead and cut the extra part of the cone, so your cone can stand. Again go ahead and cut that extra part. Your cone should be able to stand. So now if you see, my cone can stand pretty much. So what you do is, second step is, so with the remaining paper what you do is, you put a fold and you try to cut it. Now while cutting it, you need to cut the diamond shapes. So throw the remaining part and try to cut a diamond shape. See, if you see, you should be able to get a diamond shape. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut more diamonds out of it. Once you have cut a diamond out of this, what you need to do is, you go ahead and you cut. You should be able to get 2 diamonds as we had folded the page together. Now what you do is, once you have a diamond, you start cutting lines on the one end of the triangle. So what you do is, you go ahead and you start cutting lines. Okay. Now if you see, you should be able to cut the lines like this. Now what you do is, take a skewer or any pen that you have and bend these lines. Once you have bent the line, you should be able to have the leaves, 2 leaves like this. So let's go ahead and make few of this. And I made few of these more. What you do is, now you take your cone that you had made standing, and you go ahead and you give a little bit of cut on the both edges, a slight cut, so it stands properly. Now once you have made it stand, what you do is, you take these triangles that you had done, keep on gluing the triangles one by one to the tree. So let's go ahead and do this. So here it is guys, our Christmas tree is ready. And doesn't it look beautiful? So let's go ahead and make some decor part to it. Now to decorate it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the green beads. So let's go ahead and put randomly some green beads on the tree. I'm going to go ahead and we are going to put a star. Christmas tree with the star. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take some red color strings and we are going to go around through the Christmas tree. So first let me put some glue over here, the place where we are starting, and then let's go round. Guys, our Christmas tree is pretty much ready. Let's go to the craft number 2 now. Craft number 2, what we require is we require some brown paper and we require the tissue rolls. Now what we are going to do is, first step, we go ahead and we are going to make the cone out of this brown paper. So let's go ahead and make the cone. You have your cone. Let's make the base of it, just the way we had done for the first one. Now we have our brown paper which I took from the grocery bag, and I'm going to make the cone out of that grocery bag. Now once I have this cone of the grocery bag, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my tissue paper roll into 2 halves. We are going to go ahead and cut them into 2 halves. So that's what we are going to use. Here I have cut some of the tissue paper rolls. Now what we are going to do with the tissue paper rolls is that we are going to go ahead and we are going to again make the half part that you have cut. We are going to make another half of it. So every tissue roll you have to go ahead and cut into 2 more halves. So this is what we are going to use, make the tree. So what we do is we go ahead and we cut a little bit strips of the tissue roll. So let's go ahead and cut. Now while cutting, you see to it that you leave certain part at the top of the tissue paper for around 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter of the part should be left from above, and we go on cutting the strips. Way you have to keep on cutting the lines. Now once you have cut the lines, what you do is you go ahead and you again mold them. You have to bend them little bit. Now once you have bent them, once you have done few of these, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to stick this one by one to the tree. hold this in for certain amount of time, and you will be able to have a beautiful tree. Now what are the different things that you can go ahead and decorate? So one thing is that what you can do is you can go ahead and paint this tree according to your taste. If you want to color it green, you can color it green. If you want to color it white, you can color it white. Or if you have some glitter, you can go ahead and put some glue on it and sprinkle some glitter on it. Since I did not have glitter, what I'm going to do is I have this glitter glue. I'm going to go ahead and put this glitter glue on it. So as this tree gets dried, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to put a star on it. Now either you can go ahead with the star that is same color, or either you can choose white color, red color, any color that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach a gold color star on the tree. So here it is, guys, the tree is ready. Now let me go and show you the third. Now to make the third one, what we have to do is we have to go ahead and we have to take a A4 paper and cut the square out of it. So here I'm taking a green color paper and I'm going to cut a square out of it. So let me go ahead and do that. So once I have a square, what we are going to do is, so now if you see, I'm going to write over here, this is a square and we have put the fold number 1. So let me just call this fold number 1. Now let me go ahead and now the way you have this way you went with the first fold. Now fold on the other side. So this is your fold number 2. Now if you keep the paper straight way, that is going to be your fold number 3. This is your fold number 3. Now what you are supposed to do is, once you have folded the paper 3 times, what you do is again make the paper in a way that the number 1 fold is directed towards you. Now what you do is you go ahead and take that number 1 and fold it the other side. Like if you had folded this way first, now you are going to fold it the other way. Now once you have folded the other way, you will be able to see these 2 points. So what you are going to do, take the one side of the fold and get it to your side. Then take the second part of it and again get it to your side in a way that it forms a square. So let me show you once again. Once that is done, we will have 2 flaps of it. So what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and make a triangles. So these are 2 triangles and then these are 2 triangles. So in total you should have 4 triangles. So you should have 4 triangles. Once that is done, you go ahead and you cut. After cutting a rectangle over here, I went ahead and I marked 4 lines over here. I marked 4 lines over here and I went ahead and I cut them. And I have to cut it till the lines that I have marked. So if you see, I went ahead and I cut till the lines I have marked. Now once I have finished marking, what I am going to do is I am going to fold these lines inwards. If you see, my lines are folded inwards. Same way I am going to go ahead and do the other side. Again I turn and I again put them downward side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, the downward side. Now, once you have folded the points properly, you go ahead and you open the tree. So once you have opened the tree, you will have a tree in a way like this. So what you do is, if you want to insert it in a cup, you can go ahead and put it. If you don't want to put it in the cup, you go ahead and you fold this, so your tree can stand on the ground like this. Now you go ahead and you decorate the tree. Now to decorate the tree, what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and put a star over here. This is the way our tree looks. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button.